You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break it down in Spanish first, and then how you can easily say it in English. Milena. In English, it is normally pronounced as Milena. This is also a name of Russian origin, Slavic origin, meaning gracious. Milena is the Russian pronunciation. So, overall, Milena is the most common pronunciation. How do you pronounce it yourself? Milena? Or let us know otherwise in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.